it's like this big and this wide.
What does it do? 500 shots?
Yes, yes, 500 shots of chaos.
You better videotape this one.
Yeah. And then the finale's after this.
Oh, there's a finale after this?
Yeah.
Finale?
Yeah. No. This is the faux finale.
Oh, the faux finale.
Yeah.
Wow.
No,
That's cool.
I'm neither.
Woo!
Both batteries just died.
There's my bed.
Camera and phone.
Waiting for the finale.
I don't think so. Nothing.
Finale! Alright, don't go people, don't go. It's a finale.
I'm out of
Don't
vodka.
go! Don't go! Don't go!
So this is chaos now coming?
Yes, this is pure chaos.
Pure
If all the fuses hit right.
What?
If all the fuses hit right, pure chaos.
Is that the big board that they carried out?
No, they did that one already.
Okay.
That was the one that went on for like 7.5 minutes.
Gotcha.
Alright.
Yeah. He wouldn't be hard to recruit for this. Every year they recruit more.
Ooh, red skyline turn off to the left in the sky. About 11 o'clock.
What was that?
Red sky
Oh,
lantern.
yes.
Alright, how long is this going to take for my battery to die for this?
I know.
Like
I just shut my phone off. Hopefully that'll help a little.